Our National Conclave 2025, where NCT is collaborating with regional different regions, and our visit to Nehu is the first of its kind, where we are bringing lot of transformative tools in the form of regulations 2025 in place, and to help people understand these regulations, to have their feedback, to have their suggestions. The new governance model which is proposing reach out to the stakeholders. Under that guidelines of Ministry of Education, we thought we should go to the field, and this is our first visit to Shillong in that context. So we'll be visiting more regions, like in March 3rd week we are visiting Ahmedabad, Gujarat for similar conclave. And in the field of teacher education, NCT is bringing multiple changes, multiple upgradation with specific context of National Education Policy 2020. Education Policy 2020 has proposed overhauling of education in India. In that line, NCERT has got a new school structure in place by bringing Bal Vatika study material and textbooks in the year 2022, curriculum framework for foundational stage. And 2023, they brought curriculum framework for secondary school. And now, to meet the expectations of new school structure, NCT is gearing up to bring transformation into teacher education to meet the expectations of school structure, which is a new structure 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. In 5 years, first 5 years, a child will be undergoing the stage which is known as foundational stage. Then 3 years of preparatory stage, which is class 3, 4 and 5. Then middle stage, which is class 6, 7 and 8. And then secondary stage, which is 9, 10, 11 and 12. So earlier our teacher education program was structured to cater the needs of 10 plus 2 school system. Now we are transforming those teacher education programs and bringing 4 stages of teacher education specialization according to the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 stage which has been proposed for school education. So in that context, on 20th February, NCT has got its new regulations, regulations 2025, and 9 revised, upgraded teacher education programs in the light of NDP 2020. And those new norms and standards for 9 teacher education programs and NCT regulations 2025 have been put in public domain for larger consultation with all the stakeholders, be it community, parents, students, teachers, educators, policy makers, curriculum developers. We are here to have open house discussion with all the stakeholders. So in that context, what Vindaji was mentioning, we are here in the first national 2 days conclave, where Honorable Governor of Meghalaya was chief guest in the morning. He gave his ideas and understanding about teacher education and the need of teacher education. He specifically mentioned the need to have specialized teachers for art education and physical education. And we are glad to announce that NCT has got these 2 specializations as part of teacher education program in the domain after class 12. So this is the background with which we came here. We will be happy to answer your questions related to school structure, how teachers are going to meet there, what are the different specializations we are proposing under teacher education. If you want, I can give you name of those 9 teacher education programs which we are bringing now. And if you want, we can give you soft copy of these regulations also for your detailed analysis later and relate it with the discussions on this forum. We have got ITAP program as appendix 1 of these regulations, ITAP arts education as appendix 2 of the regulations, ITAP physical education as appendix 3 of the regulations, ITAP Sanskrit education as appendix 4 of regulations, ITEP Yoga Education as Appendix 5, Bachelor of Education B.Ed 1 year program as Appendix 7. Now B.Ed 1 year program was not there till 2025. It was there till 2014. But in 2014 it was shut down because of multiple reasons. I will not go into detail of those. But why it is bringing back, I would be happy to help you understand. Education policy has proposed that teacher education should be open for different age group and different academic background people. If some student decides to join school teaching after class 12, there should be a comprehensive integrated teacher education program after class 12. So NCT has brought 4-year integrated teacher education program after class 12. The students who will qualify class 12 and decided to come for school teaching, they can join ITEP. But if some student decide at a later stage that yes, they want to become school teachers, maybe after graduation. So if they exit after 3 years of graduation, they can come for 2 years of B.Ed. And if they decide after 4 years of bachelor degree or even after master degree, they can come for 1 year B.Ed program, which is proposed under Appendix 7. So this is a holistic approach where we want all the aspirants to join the profession of school teaching. So in one way we call it inclusive program because it's inclusive of everybody. Whosoever wants to be, there is a special window for them to come in and join the profession. So these 3 programs of teacher education having 4 specialization stages. Each program has 4 specialization stages. As I mentioned earlier, foundation stage, preparatory stage, middle stage and secondary stage as specialization. And 3 stream specializations. One is if somebody is going for BA, they can have ITEP BA B.Ed or BCom B.Ed. Commerce students can go and opt BCom B.Ed. Science students can go and opt BSc B.Ed. So 3 stream specializations and 4 school stage specializations. If you multiply it, you will get 12 specializations of ITEP. And these 12 specializations will be there in all the programs of teacher education, whether it's ITEP Yoga, Physical Education, Sanskrit, Art Education, 1 year B.Ed, 2 year B.Ed. In all the programs we are coming with 12 specialized programs to cater the needs of each region in the country as well as to take care of individuals' interest wherever they want to go. The way education policy has proposed, let students decide what course, what specialization, what interest area they want to pursue. So policy has opened the door, so is NCT opening door for all the stakeholders to come and do any program. And Appendix 8 and 9 are about Master Degree in Education, which is popularly known as MEd. Till date, since 2015, we had 2 years of MEd program. Now, Education Policy 2020 has proposed a new National Credit Framework. And in that National Credit Framework, at 6.5 stage, school teachers. That we have defined in 2011 after RT Act. And we are going to revise those eligibility conditions in the light of these new programs and NEP. Very soon we'll come out with the new eligibility norms for school teachers. But if somebody is inviting substandard teachers without formal qualifications, then those institutions are responsible. And education being on concurrent list, we urge and request such institutions that NCT is giving recognition to multiple institutions in the country and there is no dearth of number of qualified teachers in the country. So through you we want to appeal those institutions not to recruit not qualified or underqualified teachers to the institution, because school education is the stage of life when your personality takes shape, your ethos takes shape, your value system takes shape, when you are learning basics for your life, whether it's literacy related, mathematics related or in general.
So we should not compromise with the future of our generation, and we should not go for that. There is no dearth of qualified teachers in the country. Multiple number we are preparing through 15,000 recognized teacher education institutions at present. So that is something which is not expected of school or school education institution at any level or any region. The education policy has proposed physical education as integral part of education. They are not calling it extracurricular, they are calling it co-curricular. So physical education, art education are integral part of education now as per policy's mandate also. So we are bringing specialized program for physical education, and we do not want to leave physical education as an important domain of human personality, to leave it to less qualified or underqualified. That is why we are bringing a 4-year teacher education program even for physical education. That is for the first time in the country that we are bringing in post-independence. This is first time when a physical education program is coming for 4-year program.